Welcome to my channel. EnGenius ECB600 router setup. Plug in the EnGenius ECB600 to a power source. Use an Ethernet cable to connect your PC laptop to the LAN port of the ECB600. Make sure your PC's IP settings are set to obtain an IP address automatically. Open a web browser, Chrome, Edge, Firefox, 192.168.1.1. Enter the default login credentials, username, admin password, admin. Enable both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz wireless bands. Select WPA2PSK as the security mode. Change the IP to match your network range, e.g. 192.168.1.2 if your router is 192.168.1.1. Reboot the device if required. Disconnect the Ethernet cable and try connecting to the Wi-Fi using your new settings. Thanks for watching.